In this video, we will explore the Composite Fanfare Edition music composition program. With Composite, anyone can create music. On the main screen, you have two choices: to group pulses into fours, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or group your pulses into threes, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to choose groupings of 4 pulses or beats for my melody. Notice the letters on the left side of the graph. These are the pitches ranging from low to high. Let's listen to each one, starting at the lowest note, C. Along the bottom of the graph, we have the rhythmic notes. The longer the shape, the longer that note will sustain. From the left, we have shorter duration notes moving all the way across to longer duration notes that will sustain for 4 beats or pulses. To compose your melody, simply drag the rhythmic shapes from the bottom of the page up onto the graph. A red or green light appears behind the shape as you drag it. A green light indicates that the note can be placed in that spot. A red light means that the duration of the note does not fit in the current section or measure. After you drag some notes onto the graph, you can press play to hear what your melody sounds like. Hit restart at any time to stop the playback of your melody. As the melody is completed, I can press play to hear it again, or I might want to save it. Click the Save button and enter a name for your melody. You can then hit the Download button to save your melody graph to your computer. The Back button will bring you back to your melody, but if you want to start over with a new melody, hit the Clear button and all the notes will disappear.